Okay, try doing this one here. Express these two fractions as one fraction. So yeah, visualize it as one bubble here and one bubble here. So over here you're timing top and bottom by this bubble here, and then over here over on this fraction here you times top and bottom by this fraction over here. So it would be like this. Yeah, even though there's a plus in here, it's still okay. So on this side, well, anyway, do whatever you have to do, but just concentrate on getting the two denominators to be the same, and then you can merge the fractions. Well, anyway, press pause and have a go. So here, let's times top and bottom by x plus 2. Okay, so x plus 2, and then over on this side, times top and bottom by x plus 5. Top and bottom by x plus 5. Okay, so now hang on, let's rewrite this. So this would be, in effect, it would be this 3 bracket x plus 2, and then down here it would be, remember this is a bubble, okay, so it's this bubble times this bubble, so it would be this x plus 5, close it off, and then x plus 2. Okay, so it's really two bubbles multiplying each other. On this side, it would be this x plus 5, close it off, and then it's going to be x plus 2, close it off, and then x plus 5. The two denominators are actually the same. It's just like this bubble being 5 times 3, and this one is 3 times 5. They're all actually the same. Okay, hang on. So now that the two denominators are the same, we can merge. Hang on. So it will be at the bottom. It will be x plus 5, or you can switch it around. It doesn't matter. So you could actually write it as x plus 2 times x plus 5. You can switch them around. Well, anyway, at the top it would be actually let's do it in one go. So on this side it would be this times this, which is 3x, and then 3 times 2, which is plus 6. On this side it would be 4x, okay, and then plus 20. Okay. Now elephant, giraffe. So we can simplify basically. Hang on. Plus 5. Close it off. X plus 2. So let's merge the elephant and the elephant together. So that would be 7 elephants. And then the single numbers on their own are like one entity. You can merge the two. So it would be plus 26. So this would be your final answer. Okay. Now let me show you this one here. It's quite weird when there's a minus in front. So hang on. Let me do this one. Then you can do the one after. So here visualize as this. Hang on. So it would be this minus this fraction. Okay. So it would be 5. Well, we times the top and bottom by this thing here. So over here it will be x plus 2, and then times it by x minus 3. Okay, and then on the top it will be x. It would be this plus 2. Remember, we are multiplying top and bottom by this thing here. And then at the bottom it will be 3 minus, well, sorry, x minus 3, and then x plus 2. Okay, so at the moment you've got this fraction here, take away this fraction here. Things gets complicated when there's a minus, but you will see why later on. So so the two denominators are the same, so you've got to merge them. Hang on, x plus 2, and then x minus 3 at the bottom, and then on the top it's going to be this. Hang on. X minus 3, and then minus, and remember all these exist in a bubble, plus 2. Okay, so this exists in a bubble in effect. Okay. So now, hang on. Let's multiply out the brackets. So it will be plus this. At the bottom here will be this x minus 3. Okay. So here 5 times this, it will be 5x, and then this times this, it will be minus 15. Okay. Now just visualize this as this minus belonging to the 2. Okay. If there's a minus in front, you visualize it as a minus 2. So minus 2 times the x, it will be minus 2x, and then minus 2, this minus 2 here, times positive 2. So minus 2 times positive 2 will be minus 4. I know it's quite strange when there's a minus, but just attach the minus to the 2 and then just multiply it out. So it becomes this. Okay? And now yeah, this bit here, you just got to be careful. If there's a minus, attach the minus to the 2. So it's minus 2 times x, and then minus 2 times positive 2. So it's this, basically. Okay, so now merge the elephants together. So hang on. This will be x plus 2, and then x minus 3. Elephant merge with the elephant here. So 5 elephants, take away 2 elephants, that will be 3 elephants. Single numbers on their own are like one entity, so you can merge them. So minus 15 minus 4, that would be minus 19. Okay, because, well, I'll draw your diagram here. You start at minus 15, and then you take away 4, so you're going to end up at minus 19. Okay, now it's your turn. Be careful because there's a minus here, so do whatever you have to do. Press pause and merge the 2 fractions together. Okay, so let's rewrite this. Hang on. So it's this fraction, take away this fraction here. So this will be this. Hang on, minus 5, and here it will be x plus 2. Close it off, and then x minus 5. Close it off. Okay. On the right hand side it will be 4. Remember, we're timesing top and bottom by this thing here. So it will be x plus 2. Close it off, and then at the bottom it will be x minus 5, and then times x plus 2. Okay. The 2 denominators are the same, so we can merge. So it will be x plus 2. Close it off. And then x minus 5, close it off. And now this times this will be 3x, and then this times this, it will be minus 15. Now this minus thing is quite weird, so attach the minus to the 4. So it's minus 4 times this thing here will be minus 4x, and minus 4 times this thing here will be sorry, minus 4 times this thing here would be minus 8. Okay, so now hang on. So elephant, so you're going to have minus an elephant. So 3 elephants, take away 4 elephants will be minus elephant. Okay, and then minus 15 minus 8, that will be minus 23. And then at the bottom it will be the same. So this will be your final answer. Okay?